Let me show you something. This is a simple order creation endpoint. It creates a record, fires an event. Why is this taking 3 seconds? Now watch this. Instant. Same endpoint, same database, same server. One architectural difference. And this mistake is why a lot of Laravel apps feel slow, even when controller looks clean. That's what we are going to fix today. You didn't see caching, you didn't see Redis, you didn't see server upgrades. So what changed? Most Laravel apps are slow because heavy work is still running inside the HTTP request. Here is the real world setup. User creates a record, send a confirmation email, maybe call external API, maybe log analytics. That work can take seconds. Most developers move that into event listener and assume that it is asynchronous. It's not. Proper REST endpoint API orders. This is exactly how the production controller looks. Create order, fire event, return response. This looks clean and you expect it to be fast, but it isn't. I'm simulating heavy work with sleep. In real life, this could be sending email, calling Stripe, generating PDF, uploading to S3. Laravel runs this inside same HTTP request. Let's prove it again. The request is blocked until this finishes. 3 seconds. The user is waiting for your email to send. Modify class. One line changes everything. Implements ShouldQueue. Now Laravel pushes this listener into the queue instead of executing it inline. Open .env. Second requirement is the queue driver must not be sync. Sync means run inside HTTP. Now watch. Instant. Now HTTP finished quickly but listener still not ran. There is a third requirement. A worker must be running. Without a worker, nothing processes. The 3-second delay is happening here in the background. That's the difference. If you remember nothing else, remember this checklist. Implement should queue, use a real queue driver, not sync, run a worker. In production, use supervisor or horizon so worker don't die silently. Miss one of these and your app becomes slow again. If email fails, queue jobs can retry. If it runs inside HTTP, your user experiences the failure. That's why this matters. Laravel doesn't magically make things asynchronous. You have to configure it properly. Move heavy work out of HTTP and your users will feel the difference immediately. If you want more Laravel production fixes like this, subscribe.